Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I was cleaning out the fridge today and decided to do a video on how to manage condiments. It seems like most people have lots of condiments in their fridge, but they don't know how long they've been there or when they expire. Contrary to the belief of some, condiments don't last forever. Start by taking all of the condiments out of your fridge. Next, wipe down and dry the shelves. I always like to write the expiration dates a little larger on my condiments with a Sharpie so I can easily tell when they expire. The summer has been busy and I realize that I have many that aren't marked. I started by separating the condiments that have dates marked with the condiments that don't have dates marked. Then I marked the dates on the ones that need them, taking note of which need to be replaced. Some of them are getting low and some may be close to or past their expiration date. I write a list of the ones that I need to replace. People in your family may have different opinions about when something should be thrown out. This can be tricky. My thought is that if I'm willing to replace it, then it shouldn't ruffle anyone's feathers. I just need to replace it before throwing out the old one, so there will always be some. If you throw out something and don't replace it, that may cause some challenges. If there are condiments you don't need or don't like anymore, now is the time to get rid of them. Then I try to organize them according to like items. I put the jams and jellies together, the Asian and hot sauces together, the sandwich and burger items together, etc. You can categorize them by breakfast items where syrup and peanut butter and jelly would go together, or you can put peanut butter and jelly in with lunch items. It doesn't matter how you categorize them as long as you like the way you do it. Then put all of the condiments back into the fridge. With the dates in a larger print, it is very easy to know when condiments will need to be replaced in the future. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.